Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel again. Car show season is starting to heat up, and this is my favorite time of the year because there's pretty much a car show almost every single weekend. If you park your car, especially a classic car, for any length of time, whether it's a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or whatever, you probably have seen that the battery typically tends to drain unless you keep a trickle charger on it or something like that, right? Well, what I've done is I've installed these quick disconnect setups on all my batteries so that I don't have to use a trickle charger. All it does is it connects to your negative terminal on your battery, and you just flip that little switch, and what it does is it kills the power to the entire car. So now your battery is preserved. So when I come back to this car, if it's 6 months later or however long it is, this battery, as long as it's a good battery, will still have power when I jump in it. So definitely recommend getting you one of those. You can find them at any auto parts store, O'Reilly's, Advance, AutoZone, any of them. They all will have those things. They're about 20 to 25 bucks, and they make them for top posts too. This is a side post, obviously, but they make them for top posts as well. Definitely recommend getting one of the best investments that I've ever done on these cars, and it's a super cheap one. So like I was saying, it's real simple. You just push this in right here, this little lever up. That's off, that's on. Real simple, straightforward, to the point. And now the power to the vehicle is restored. Now I can get in and start it. This is the top mount option right here, just so you guys can see it for your reference. This is for all you guys with top mount batteries. The one I showed you on the truck is a side mount. This is a top mount. Works just like the side mount does. Same little lever. This one here, as you can see, I've customized it and I painted it red and black. This was on the Cutlass at one point, but I ended up taking it off. There she is. There she is. There she is. All right. So got that done. Okay, so all right. Do me a favor, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, like this video, and then of course, share the video with a friend. Tell a friend about the channel. Comment below and let me know what you think about the video.
MTCB.